Creating and managing a conference. The operator can conference another phone into a call by dragging its icon or button onto the call cell. Here, a police phone is added to the call from the passenger emergency telephone, causing the police phone to ring. When it is answered, the police phone is conferenced into the call. To leave this call, the operator clicks the Hang Up button. This presents the call disposition pop-up. The operator clicks the End Call button to exit the call. Once the operator leaves the call cell turns brown to indicate a call in progress with which the operator is not involved. When the police phone is hung up, the call ends and disappears from the call stack. The operator rejoins the call on hold with the office phone by clicking on it. The call ends when either the office phone hangs up or when the operator clicks the Hang Up push button and confirms the pop-up.